We're in the Perth metro area in Yokine, and we're installing solar and a battery system for our client. The client contacted us as his existing system was no longer meeting his needs. Anthony wanted to replace his existing system with a new solar iStore setup. Anthony decided to go with iStore as it is an Australian company who offered a complete solar solution, which helps him start his journey to electrification of his whole home. Anthony also loved the benefit of iStore being a flexible system that allows him to increase the capacity of his battery as his needs grow. Further down the line, Anthony can add an EV charger, heat pump and pool heater to the system. The solar panel layout was a challenge due to the limited space on his roof. His roof was flat, so we used a commercial tilt system to allow us to maximise the system size available in the space. iStore's energy system allows Anthony and his family to store the energy produced during the day and capitalise on it overnight. As a result of the installation, Anthony is now 96% self-sufficient in his home energy consumption, reducing his bill to almost nothing. If that's not a win, what is? With Solargain, you know that you have the best experts in the field, coupled with cutting-edge technology and a passion to design a system that will grow with your needs. With 23 locations Australia-wide and local Australian-based support, you know that you can rely on Solargain to be your sustainable energy partner for life.